Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following error notification while I try to update my Windows 10 PC and it shows updates failed. There were problems installing some updates but we will try again later, and it followed by it also shows one error code. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, close this window and then open your Windows Run Services. So by simply press Windows key plus capital R. So here you can search services.msc and then hit to enter. So now it shows my all Windows services. So here you can locate Windows Update and simply click to open it. So now I try to stop this service and then change the startup type to automatic and once again start this service. So after the service is started, just click to save these changes and just close this all the windows. So now this time you can go to your Windows Update section. So here you can go to Advanced Options and then click to enable these three options. So once you've done these processes, just close all the settings window and don't forget to restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, now one more time I try to update my Windows 10 PC because I check it if this check works or not. But this time you can see now my Windows 10 PC starts to installing the updates. So finally my Windows 10 update is successfully installed in my PC and it does not show any other error notifications. So this is the way you can easily fix your Windows updates not working problem by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.